Good morning, student. We have studied in ninth standard science and technology. The chapter 1 is the laws of motion. So, student, the motion of an object. What is motion and what is object? In which of the following example can you sense of the motion? Suppose the presence and options of the motion. The example is flight of a bird, a stationary train. Third one is the leaves flying through air. And fourth one is a stone lying on a hill. So there are the example of motion. So we see motion of an object several of every day. Sometimes we cannot see the motion of an object directly, as in the case of bridge. So can you list other example of the motion besides those the given example here? Think about it. Suppose you are traveling in a bus. Is the person sitting next to you in motion? So, what do you take in consideration to decide if an object is moving or not? So, you have learned the motion is a relative concept. So, if a position of an object is changing with the respect to its surrounding, that is said to be the motion. Otherwise, it is a rest. So, you understand, I think. Now, the displacement and time. Displacement and distance. The suppose such a two example A and B points different ways as shown in the figure. Though measure the distance between the points. Now measure the distance along the dotted line. Which distance is correct according to you and why? Suppose the example, Shital first went to her friend Sangita's house on her way to school. Okay. So next one, Prashant went straight from home to school. So both are walking with the same speed. So who will take the less time of reach of the school? In this example, there are three difference between in the actual list and distance travel. So what is it? Distance is the length of actual path traveled by an object in the motion while going from one point to be another point. Whereas displacement is the minimum distance and between the starting and finishing points. So that is the distance and displacement. So every morning, such as Swarali walk round the edge of circular field having radius of 100 meter. Okay. So now as shown in the figure, if she starts from a point A and take a round. So how much distance has she walked and what is her displacement? Suppose if a car starting from point P goes to point Q and then returns point to be P. So how much distance has it traveled and what is the displacement? So even if the displacement of an object is 0, the actual distance traveled by it is maybe 0. So that is the displacement and distance. So now speed and velocity. So what are the vector and scalars? So vectors, which of the quantities of a distance, speed and velocity? Time, displacement are scalar and which are the vectors? So speed is equal to total distance traveled by time required. The formula of speed. The distance traveled in a particular direction by an object in unit time is called as velocity. Here unit time can be second, 1 by 1 minute, 1 hour, etc. So if large unit are used, 1 year can also be used a unit of a time. So the displacement that occurs in unit time is called as velocity. And velocity's formula is equal to displacement upon time. So now always remember the unit of speed and velocity are the same. In the SI system, the unit of meter per second, while in the CGS system, it is a centimeter per